Good morning, children. Today we are learning English. So let's start English class. So today's new poem, Vegetables. The title of the poem is Vegetables. Tomatoes and carrots, cabbage and beans look so yummy, all red and green. So little children, eat them every day to make you grow strong and smart in the long way. Thank you. So you have to learn this poem. Next, we are learning phonics sound of U. So phonics sound of U is up, up. So let's read the dictation words. First is C-U-P, cup. Number 2, T-U-B, tub. Phonic sound, tub. Number 3, G-U-N, gun. Gun. Okay. Number 4 spelling is B-U-N. Let's read with the phonics. Bun. Number 5 spelling is H-U-T. Phonic sound, hut. Number 6 spelling is J-U-G. Phonic sound, jug. Number 7 spelling is P-U-P. Let's read with the phonics. Pup. Number 8 spelling is C-U-B. So let's read with the phonics. Cub. Number 9 spelling is S-U-N. Let's read with the phonics. Sun. Number 10 spelling is M-U-G. Let's read with the phonics. Mug. So let's revise again on cup, tub, gun, bun, hut, jug, up, cub, sun, mug. So let's do pull-ups of U sound words. The first is, you have to look at the picture. So, cup, cup, C-U-P, cup. So we have to add U sound. Okay, next is hut, hut. Write U in the blank. Now, next is tub, tub. Great. Next, you can see the kids are having fun. So, fun. We have to write U in the blank. Next is bun, bun. Next, sentence structures on my class teacher. The title of your sentence structure is My Class Teacher. My class teachers are Renu and Nikita ma'am. They teach us to read and write. They make us laugh. They give us toys. We like our teachers. Thank you. Please note down English class test on Thursday, 5th August. Topic is dictation of O sound words. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.